Welcome everybody. Welcome once again to our Code with Proof series, where we build simple applications using JavaScript. So in this third episode, we'll be building a simple password strength checker. Okay. So this application checks every password you type in and gives you the strength category, whether it's weak, medium, or strong. Okay. So it's a simple application. First of all, we write the HTML to display it on the browser. Then the main code will appear in the JavaScript file, which is this. So first of all, instead of jumping into writing code, we first of all lay out the solutions step by step. Okay. So this is the algorithm. First of all, we need to create variables that will hold the score, that will hold if each password you type has lowercase, uppercase, number, or it has a special character. Okay. Then next we check if the length is greater than or equal to 8. Then we increase the score. Okay. Then we look through every character in the password to see if characters between A to Z are in lowercase, then we say they are in lowercase. If the character is between capital A and Z, then we say they are uppercase. If the characters is between 0 and 9, then we say it's a number. Else, they are special characters. Okay. Then we'll increase the score for each true condition and return this result. If the score is 5, then it's strong. If the score is between 3 and 4, then it's medium. Else is weak. Okay. So here's the pseudocode. Then we'll jump right into the main code itself. We start by writing a function, check password strength with the parameter password. Then we'll declare a variable called score equals to 0. Then we'll declare the variables of the flags to check what the password contains. If the password has lowercase, for instance, for the start, we declare them false, all of them, both lowercase, uppercase, number, and special characters, all false. Then we check if the password length is greater or equal to 8. If so, then we'll increase the score. Okay. Then we'll look through the characters in the password using the for each method. Okay. First, we declare a variable called character and pass the password into a list called I. So this is the list that will be looping through the password length. Okay. Now we check if the character is lowercase letter A to Z. And this is what the if statement says. The character is greater than or equal to small letter A and less than or equal to Z. Then you say it has lowercase is true. Else, if the character is greater than or equal to capital letter A and the character is also less than or equal to capital Z, then we say it has uppercase equals to true. We also check else if character is greater than or equals to 0 and also less than or equal to 9, then we say that character has number, which is equals to true. So we're trying to check if the character is a number between 0 to 9. Else, if the character does not have all these characters listed above, then it's a special character. Okay, that has forward slash, backslash, semicolon, all those symbols. They are all special characters. Okay, then we'll move forward to increasing the score based on the flags. The flags are what we have up here: lowercase, uppercase, and all the rest of them. So we say if it has uppercase, if it has lowercase, increase the score. If it has uppercase, increase the score. If it has number, increase the score. If it has special characters, also increase the score, right? So finally, we now decide the final strength by using the if statement. If score is equals to 5, then we return strong. Else, if the score is greater or equals to 3, we return medium. Else, we return weak. Meaning that if anything, if the characters are less, are not, if the score is not 5, right, and is not greater than or equal to 3, then it's weak. Okay. So finally, we create a test variable so we can use it to test the password. We name it test password. I'll leave it empty for now. Then we'll be typing passwords from here just to check on the browser or on the console. Now let the result be, we pass in the function, which is this check password. We pass in the function with an argument test password, which is this empty string where we'll be typing any password. Then we'll call the variable result. Then we'll console log the result here with a string. Your password strength is. Okay. So we'll go to the browser. We save. Go to the browser. Now let's type in a password. Let's say hello world with capital HELLO1. And let's see what the browser said. The browser said the password strength is medium. Okay, let's try something else. Let's just try lowercase. Let's say hello. Let's see what the console says. Sorry. Okay, it's saying medium. Let's say just hello. It's saying your password strength is weak. Now let's type in something bigger. Let's say superstar with capital S. Let's say 20 and let's use exclamation mark. Let's see what the browser says. Browser says the password strength is strong. So yeah, this is how it works. It's a very simple code, about less than 120 lines of code. Very interesting. So next is to push this code to GitHub. So yeah, this is the code for today. Try it out. I'll leave the link to the GitHub. Try it out, use it and practice. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments. I'll respond to it ASAP. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See you on the 4th episode. Bye.